Hi, everyone. My name is Angela, and I am the owner of Angie's at Your Service Virtual Assistants. You are watching our first segment of Girl Friday. So, did you know that your 8-hour employee is only working 3 hours of productive work time? Yeah. Research shows that most employees are distracted throughout the day with work conversations, snack breaks, internet surfing, social media, you name it. Besides paying for a lot of unnecessary downtime, there are a lot of fees that come along with hiring an employee, like payroll fees, taxes, supplies, etc. As a business owner, reducing your overhead cost should always be a top priority. So, how would this work? Realistically, no one would want to come into the office to get paid for a 3-hour workday. That's where subcontracting comes into play. Hiring a virtual assistant will allow you to hire someone to subcontract your work out to so that you're only paying for the time that it takes to actually do your work. That means no paying for downtime, breaks, taxes, days off, you name it. So you're probably thinking, what's the catch? I can only pay someone to work $15 an hour. What are your fees? Okay, so let's do some math. Our services cost $30 an hour. Stay with me. You hire someone to work a 8-hour workday at $15 an hour. That's $120 a day. If you were to subcontract your work to a virtual assistant, 3 hours of productive work time at $30 an hour, that's $90 a day. So you're already saving $30 a day. That's $150 a week, which adds up to $7,800 a year. So let's take it a step further and calculate taxes. In the state of New Jersey, an $15 an hour employee at 40 hours a week would cost you a little over $3,000 a year in taxes. With subcontracting out your office work, you don't pay taxes. So that's an additional $3,000 plus a year in taxes. So now we're at over a $10,000 a year savings for your business. What would you do with an additional $10,000 a year? So now let's go back because we haven't even gotten to the exciting part. Remember, you're going to subcontract 3 hours a day of productive work time to my business. That's going to cost you $450 a week, $23,000 a year of productive work time that's going to help you grow and develop your business. Now, remember, you were paying almost $35,000 a year for an employee with non-productive work time and taxes added in. So here's the exciting part. Because my services are subcontracted, we are what's considered a 1099. Your employee is a W-2 worker, and we are a 1099 subcontractor, which ultimately means that our services are 100% tax deductible. So now let's go back to the numbers. If you would normally pay, let's say, $60,000 a year in taxes, with my services being fully tax deductible with the numbers that we did, you would be able to take that $23,000 and deduct it from the $60,000 that you would normally pay in taxes. It's almost like getting free help. Who would pass up that deal? Now, obviously, subcontracting and outsourcing will not work for every industry. There will always be the need for in-house staff. However, with companies looking for more ways to reduce their overhead costs, as well as reduce the amount of people in the office, a lot of businesses are looking for ways to go remote. Now is the time for you to figure out what is best for you and your company. Contact us today to see how we can help you save money while also helping you increase your company productivity. www.angeatyourservice.com.